Hey guys, this is Chris Rocha. Thanks for coming to my channel and to my Canva review video. So Canva is an online design tool that it's very cool, very easy to use, and the best thing is it's free. You can start using for free today. You just have to go online, create a free account, and you're good to go. So I decided to do a Canva review video because I actually use Canva every day. So I use Canva to make my Instagram posts, my Facebook posts. I also use for my blog. So if you go to my blog, every image that pretty much is in my blog was done using Canva. Um, I learned very quick how to use this tool because it really is easy. It's very intuitive. You're not gonna need to watch several videos to learn how to use this. It really is very easy to use. So what can you do with Canva? So you can do pretty much everything with Canva, from designing your social media posts to posters, cards. You can do also logos, posters, flyers, as you can see here. Pretty much everything you have in mind related to design you can do with Canva. So let's just go here. You can pick here, create a design. So for example, if I want to go with an Instagram post, I used to always start thinking, okay, what is the size again that I have to do for Facebook or for Instagram, because we know each platform has the perfect size for their posts. Once you use Canva, you don't need to worry about that anymore because it gives here the exact size. So let's go with an Instagram post here. So you could start using one of the templates that they offer. So let's just go, for example, with this, just an example for you guys. And then if you want to make a change in the text, you just click on it. Same thing here. If you want to change the color, you just click on this on the rectangle here, and you come here, you change the color. So you see what I mean when I say that it's very easy to use? It really is easy to use. And so you don't need experience, you don't need to be a whiz or anything. You don't need anybody can work with Canva really. Um, and then if you want to say, all right, I don't want this, let me see, I actually want to add a photo. So you just come here and you can choose here between paid and free photos. So if you decide to go with a free account, of course, you're going to only have the right to use the free pictures. So let's go here and let's go to free, apply filters. So every picture that is going to show up here now is going to be free. So let's see, for example, dog, just for you guys to have an idea. Dog. So all these pictures with dogs here, because we filter for free images, everything that is going to be showing here is free for use. So isn't that cool? So there are other online tools out there that you can actually start designing. Looks pretty cool, but once you go to download to your laptop or to your phone, they don't allow you to download unless you pay for it. So it really is not cool. With Canva, that doesn't happen. If as long as you open your free account and you're using free images, everything that you picked here is free. You're gonna be able to download this for free. So that's the deal. So I think that's really good. So like I said, I use Canva every day, really every day. And like I said, I used other tools in the past and I was not impressed. Canva, in my opinion, it really is a great tool. Now I use the pro account, but I used the free account for over a year and then I decided to upgrade. But even if you go with the free account, oh my gosh, they offer so much stuff here. You don't run out of options. So let's just see here the cost. If okay, so you can use it for free, like I said, free forever. You don't need to ever upgrade if you are happy with what they offer in the free account, or if you decide to upgrade to a pro. Of course, with Pro, you have many, many more options of templates. So, for example, you have 250,000 free templates. That is a lot of templates, guys. Uh, with the Pro account, I have the 250,000 plus 420,000 free templates. So really is like a crazy, crazy amount. And I pay now 12.95 a month, and I cannot have up to 5 people using my account. And enterprise is $30 per person, a little bit expensive, right? But pro account is perfect. Free account is really great too. So it really depends on what you're looking for and what fits your needs, right? This is pretty much what it is. All right, guys. So this is it. Just one thing. So we are here doing a review, so let's be really, really honest. So if there is one thing that I wish was better, and I really love Canva, but this is to me, this is the only downside of Canva that I noticed so far. So for example, like I said, here you have the images, and the only options I have to search for, I can search by color, I can search by free, and I can search by the orientation, but I can't search, for example, oh, I want only cartoons, or I want only icons, or it doesn't give me that option. So that's something that I wish they had. But besides that, everything else, in my opinion, is 5 stars. Okay. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my Canva review video. Please subscribe to my channel. Come back for more. I'm always adding new videos for you. And be safe, be good, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.